Yeah, but 1, 2. Yeah, finally it's working right now. From third attempt. Oof. So anyone here? Hi bro, hi. Able to stay on for the live stream, but just wanted to say looking forward to it. Yeah, good. Look for 5 minutes. Guys, if you not on screen, suggest you don't leave pendings on 5 channel, because from 5 minutes you should be on the screen. Of course, much better. So let's start our quick analysis. Yeah, I just fixed my microphone. This one not interested. This one become like that. And definitely this is a big area of interest for me on H1. This one, it's a very big, that's why first and second one. By the way, this level is also good for break retest, but as I seen from 15-minute, break retest already occurred, no? Yes, it was done here. Pushing 23. I don't like this price action for sure. I don't like while price in this range. I wanna price go out, up or down in some area. So it's 4 hour. Let me just hide pendings and switch to H4, right? From 4 hour, definitely 83 looks good. 83 looks good. I mean, this level with this level, 83.5. And 76 is a backup trade for sure. This one become like that. Yeah, nothing more from 4 hour. H1, I want a little bit more move down, then come back and then push for short again. By the way, this area failed. It was 61 fib and nice key level, but it's failed. Okay. 15-minute. Well, 15-minute quickie in and out traded this break retest. Some in and out, I mean with 50 or 60 pips stop loss and targeting 100 pips. It will be nice. We have different level here. This one, next level, some kind of messy zone. You see, it's 45 pips. I mean, this level with this level, so of course I will take last one. But I can't draw the fib right now. Why? Because price not stopped to dropping. It's a trader. I can draw the fib when price starts to trace. Come back to 5 minute. Let me draw the fib. Yeah, definitely. Why not? This is an icebreaker test level from 5 minute side. Like that. And this one also. This is 4034.5, I guess, right? This area of interest. By the way, Friday is the worst day to trade 5 minute differently. Always. Best trades on Friday comes, at the end of the day with the profit taking factor. Before it, especially when you had forms on the week, forms Wednesday, Thursday, still continuation of momentum, Friday, also continuation momentum, and you can get some nice profit taking factor at the end of the day. I mean, New York session after the all volatility slowing down, and 4-5 p.m. London, it's good profit taking time. Hi, bro. This is our area of interest. Let me just quickly send it. 4034.5. Back up. Well, any thoughts, guys? For 1,000, you mean this one? 1, 2, 3, possible. But at the end of the day, it will be good. But not at the middle of your session. Not bad. By the way, giveaway winners, today already you will get your accounts. Just don't forget to check your dashboard on Blue Guardian. EMA not too far. Now, as usual, Friday with awful price action. Yes, your chart should look like that, clean. No need 1 million indicators, tools. You don't need that. By the way, where's trend line? This is much better. Is here channel? Yeah, not bad. This zone become more interesting right now. Hi, bro. If you are from Pakistan, okay. So thank you for your information, bro. Me too, bro. Don't tell me that you're gonna be missed. Wagwan. Where is it? $45 pips. Missing our trade. Hi, are you from? I'm from Iran. Okay. Let's let everybody tell me from which country they are watching right now. We have somebody from Pakistan. We have somebody from Iran. Very international stream. To be honest, it's good. It's very good. Absolutely nothing here. Here is nothing. It's just a big liquidity zone. Uganda, Morocco. Wow. By the way, Morocco has one of the best waves for surfing. Very long wave and very you can just jump on the wave and surf around, I don't know, 5 minutes. Thank you, bro. Short where? I'm waiting this zone. Of course, it's high risk short, but Algiers, wow. India. Is anybody here from Europe? No? Yeah, it's gold. Let me move it here. Very bad timing right now. Italy, England. Wow. To be honest, for this pullback is very not good timing. How much? It did already 70 pips. Yeah, this zone is risky already. Let me check silver. Yeah, silver also under the level, not breaching, so this one can be a simple liquidity grab. Forty 35 is very risky right now with that timing. Yeah, I'm just updated information in my 5-minute gold channel. Because in 5 minute, I'm sending all trades. In main channel, I'm sending only strong setups. It's the difference. And this zone, why it's became very high risk? Because first of all, I was waiting straight push inside to take a short. You know, I mean, straight push and take a short. But as you can see, price missed our level, did a pullback, and then pushing higher. Especially with the timing, it's the middle of New York session. If you check silver, especially 1 hour, you see price under the level. Price did not touch level. Did not touch level 57. And if you check 4 hour on gold, you see it can be simple liquidity grab from this and easily can push up. The goal is, you know, to wait strong setups, to be honest, for sure. So right now, I think we can draw some fib. Let's try. And we will draw the fib from this point. Yeah, 50, 38. Like that, right? I switched to 15 minute. 15 minute. No fib. This one. Here, yes, you see 61 with key level. And one more thing, good trades on 5 minute on Friday comes after the all move. I mean, after the, it will be, I think, in couple hours. In couple hours when everything is already slowing down, 5 minute goals start to work very technical. The worst timing for trade 5 minute is 1 hour before New York Open and Friday. And Friday in New York is the worst timing. That's why much better to wait stronger setups and try to catch profit taking. If we get this level today, it will be banger. It will be banger with breaching round number 4,000, I mean, to next psychological level. Next psychological level is 39.75. And from here, push will be very beautiful. But while price in this shit price action, nope. Yeah. No, we're not in any position right now. We're just waiting. Sweden. Wow, very good. Which signal you get? From who? I didn't send any signal. Can you kindly share the link to the free VIP, please? You can just message me in DM. I will send you all instructions. Yeah, you see, it's missed. Typical Friday price action. It missed our area of interest, so I'm not interested anymore. Gonna wait further. By the way, we created new level, this one. So after price breaching, we can go for break retest, quick in and out trade again. Fatima, my Rosie, this is a star. You are not a bad person. Yes, okay, let's work together. I'm working with you together. Manchester, UK. Wow, I really didn't thought that we are so many. How to say? We are so international. Yeah, reaching lower. And silver still under the level. I'm not confirming that. I'm not sure that it will breach and go lower. Yeah, you see. This one is 5 minutes. 15 minutes, just grab liquidity also. Me? I'm originally from Turkmenistan, if you know that, originally. Currently, I'm in Argentina. That's why my time right now is 11. You see? I don't know what's time for you, but for me, it's just 11. Yes, yes. Originally from Turkmenistan. Name is Jalil. You can see it in my Instagram. You're living in Cambodia? Wow. Not far from me, to be honest. Ah, no, Cambodia is other place. I was living 4 years in Philippines before Argentina. Before Philippines, I lived 10 years in Russia. In Russia, 10 years. I lived Turkmenistan when I was 17. Yes, I graduated Turkmen Russian school. If you know, maybe if you are from Ashgabat, maybe you know the school by Pushkin. I graduated, then I moved to Russia. Lived in Russia 10 years, then Philippines. By the way, I'm joining from Namibia. No, no, send me in Telegram because Instagram is too complicated. I don't like it. Yeah. First, my school was this. First, my school, I graduated first class. It was school 64, number 64. Yeah, then I moved to Turkmen Russian school. Nice to meet you. Have a nice plov. Yeah, yeah, plov is our plov. We can cook it. By the way, what about oil? Oil. By the way, oil. Nice retracement, as you can see from this level, 78.5. Why I didn't go? I don't know. Just didn't notice that. Actually, was nice trade. Nasdaq. Yes, of course, I have offline business. I'm a supplier of electronic components, microchips and like that. We are working with factories. It's impossible to your psychology when you have only one income. You should put your eggs in different boxes. Do you recommend to enter with you, brother? You can ask the guys from the chat. They always taking trades with me. Yeah. It's not moving. Look at this. By the way, let me check quickly Nasdaq for you. Nasdaq for our reaction. Nice from this level. What it was? It was some FIBA, no? Not from this one. This one, no. This one, no. No. It's no FIB. It was just level with EMA. And possible breaker test from this all area as long as it's 38. But as long as Nasdaq lost 50 FIB, this is a breaker test level. Like that. We come back to gold. Can anyone move the market? Please just jump with 001 lot and it will. So trying to make it back. What you mean, your balance or what? Yes, it's free. The requirement is I almost took my TP on Nasdaq. From where? You shorted or what you did? Binance? You trading CFD on Binance? You shorting or what? I didn't get you, brother. Or you bought, you in buy from record test? Ah, you are in sell. Okay. But be careful because price at 38 FIP and break test level. It can just quickly make a pullback up exact from this level. Because at 50 nothing, 61 nothing, when you don't have anything below, there is a high chance that price will work from this level. I traded Nasdaq 3-4 months ago, you know, during 3 years. So of course it's a toy of a devil. Nasdaq is done. Yeah, but it's worth to go. By the way, let me show you. Do I have history? No, I don't have history on this account, but I can show you on my journal. Where is Notion? No, nothing here also. It's on file. I just jumped with small, very small position on Nasdaq because I'm not trading Nasdaq. Just to show you how my strategy works, you know. Silver tapped in our zone. Yeah, first I bought when it was around 0.6, then so. Is it crypto or what? Yes, of course. It's free with my broker. This approach is okay, 900 pips, I think. 900 pips with 180. Possible move like that. I recommend vanilla educational app. It's very good. I can buy and sell some good and short. No, this one I said I'm not interested. I already explained why I'm not interested in this short level. It's very, very high risk. Ooh. Yes, it was. I lost interest because I wanted straight move inside, then catch pullback. Right now, this short is very high risk, but price came, missed my short zone, and then did pullback. And how much it did? It did 100 pips exact TP2. So, as I said, I'm not interested. By the way, if you are in this buy, it's 1 hour already. Come back to 4 hour. Yes, guys, I jumped with a very small risk. As I said already. How I can show you that? Where is it? You see, just 3 lots on Nasdaq and did TP1. Yeah, it can be pure manipulation, but I don't care about that because most of the time my strategy is coming together with this manipulation. I'm trying to catch moves like that, pullbacks, and of course, this was very good breaker test level, as you can see, with 38 FIB. As long as I'm not Nasdaq trader, that's why I jumped with a very low risk. Is it same strategy? Can you explain which trade is next in gold? Wait. It's of course the same strategy. You can trade CFD also and futures also, and also stocks. You can trade everything. You can trade, as you can see, oil also. I got TP from this level, from this short. I showed that on one of my stream. In stories, I send in stories on Instagram also. Right now I have this level, it's 76.4, and these two levels. Also Nasdaq, as you can see, it's all same strategy, just one strategy which works everywhere. Gold. Gold also. Brother, I don't know what is your name. I'm not in any position right now on gold because there is nothing to trade. We are not gambling here. By the way, what size will be? It will be 23. 23. 230, sorry. Guys who won the giveaway, just check your dashboard again, please. Yes, of course, need to be patient because there is what you can trade when you don't have any setup. Remember, guys, you will be paid from trading, not for trading. You will be paid in trading for waiting. This is key, Nasdaq did just TP1 and nothing more. Let's come back to 4 hour. And gold, 5 minute. Yeah, 90 pips on Nasdaq right now. Can we get TP2 yeah or not? And as you can see, I just opened and did analysis of Nasdaq on stream with you and quickly jumped. Yes, let's talk about strategy. I talked already, and I have free channel. Anyone in buy or not? Oh, very good. I personally, as I told, I jumped with a small risk, very small risk, because I'm not Nasdaq trader. But okay, bro. Let me check 15 minutes. Price came back in channel. This EMA with level, I mean, let me just move it. This EMA, if EMA comes here with this level, it will be good. Let me just set alert for Nasdaq TP2. Yep, done. And I will get notification. Are you planning to go back to? I don't know, brother. I want, but I can't. I really can't, but I really want come back. I'm 29 years old already, and I wasn't there 10 years. 10 years is a very big time. It's Turkmenistan. Teme is Turkmenistan, brother. By the way, in China, my sister's studying right now, and I was in China in Shenzhen 2 times. I don't know, short on Nasdaq when I took already TP1 on buy. I took my 2R and I don't care what Nasdaq will do after that, you know. I just need my TP2, and but where it goes, what it will do after, I don't care, to be honest. My strategy is not predict where market will go. My strategy is to be ready for every move, you know. Understood? For example, I don't care market will go up or market will go down. It's not my problem. My problem is to be ready what to do if market goes up. Okay? If it goes up, I see I can possible short, for example, from this EMA, and then possible reaction from this EMA also. If it goes down, of course, could be interesting this small break retest, but it's small again, but it's 4 hour again. And possible this profit taking, but there is a level just a little bit under. And I guess it's a big level, no? Not so big level. Yes, it's mate. Because I'm in Argentina right now, and it's if you live in Argentina, you can't not drink mate. You know, you start to drink mate. I don't know, it's some relaxing, you know. But you already. Яхши, ты же мне и так уже пишешь. You work with moving. It's exponential moving average. It's only indicator I have. It's EMA. On daily 4 hour time frame, it's 100, 200, and 200 SMA. On 15 minute, it's already another one. Cheers, bro. Where is silver? Vamos, Argentina. ¿De dónde son, muchacho? ¿Qué ciudad? Yo soy de Mar del Plata ahora. ¿Entiendo? I can speak. I can speak Spanish a little bit. You got out on Nasdaq from on buy. Very good, guys. I try to keep. I still in with a small position. You see, ouch. That's why it's small position, not so big profit. Just to try and show you how it works. My TP is 2R, so, but if you closed at 1R, also not bad. Yeah, very good. I try to keep my full TP. Это я есть, братан, ты чё? So let's come to gold. Gold is nothing. God bless, just Nasdaq closed at TP. Our buys on S still valid on Nasdaq. Bro, look, it's already running 1.5 R. TP will be hit soon. Of course, it's not valid anymore. Why you didn't jump on my stream, Gaja? I had a lot of friends in Gaja, and we fight with my friends from Gaja with guys from Mir 2. You can take risk against the trend. Are you talking to me or what? Brother, where you message me? Message me in Telegram, not on Instagram. Ah. Yeah, look at this beautiful pullback. I'm from Benfield, Buenos Aires. Are you really in Mar del Plata? Sí, muchacho. I'm in Mar del Plata ahora, but soon I will go to Patagonia, maybe. Yo vivimos en Buenos Aires media años, ahora en Mar del Plata. Let me do, you know what? I will do now like that. I will move it here, move this one here, move this one also here, and multi-chart mode. Yes, and it will be like that. Because gold, nothing. No, it's not interesting like that. This area is okay, $25 move. So why not? But pay attention that there is 28 EMA and psychological level just a little bit above. And distance just 30 pips. Yeah, and I'm expanding this one, extending, sorry, like that. This is all area of interest. ORB, what is it? If I'm not wrong, it's from Smart Money, right? Yeah, welcome, Rob. Come to my next stream, will be more signals. I don't know why there is a crown next to your name. Yes, usually first 15-minute range of New York Open, but I like to use 30 minutes. First 15-minute range. Let's switch to 15-minute. Ah, you mean this one? Ah, no. You mean this one. First 15-minute range. If I'm not wrong, you mean this one, bro, or what? Which one? Nice. It's nice running in profit. 9:30 New York time. Ah, it's nice open, not New York Open, brother. It's a little bit different things. New York Open and nice open, it's different. Because New York is a session open. A nice is a stock market opens. New York stock market. I'll push it, took it like that. That's enough. Price did a retest of the lower ORB and went down. I don't know, brother. I don't trade smart money. Bebe mate y tranquila. Yeah, that's why I didn't understood you when you told me range on New York Open, because there is no range on New York Open, maybe nice open. And by the way, this 30 minutes before nice open, between I mean New York Open and nice open, is always manipulation time. So be careful always. That's why I don't trade 1 hour before New York Open, because price this time always looking for liquidity, and that's why you can get some spikes, some liquidity grabs and reverse. It's just price nature to always. But by the way, I have a stream on Kick right now. It's running, bro, but nobody watching me there, so I decided to go on YouTube. Ah, 2 people watching me right now on Kick. It's a progress. No, by the way, here is also the lagging on Kick. But TikTok not lagging, but TikTok blocked 3 my accounts. I'm tired already from TikTok. What do you trade if you don't trade money? You don't trade. I trade pullbacks. Bro, you think that there is only one strategy to trade? Is smart money? Not, of course not. There is a million strategies. My point is this area. Yes, TikTok is horrible, and I don't know why it's blocking my videos, blocking my accounts. When I changed all my, how to say, all my videos, and there is no my trade videos. There is only like psychology videos. Even them was blocked. TP2, TP2 on Nasdaq. Wow, look at this. Let me just make a screenshot. Congrats everyone who took that buy. Just let me translate to you to Spanish because I can't explain. Mi español solo poquito, muchacho, porque no hablo mucho. I'm trading pullbacks. It's not smart money. So let me check silver to full price action. Sorry, guys. Still waiting, guys. Patience, patience. Let me show. Let me see the XE. I could try highest entry. Highest entry with EMA on 15 minute and breaker test. Let me check 1 hour. By the way, 1 hour is very bullish right now. 40, 58, 38 fib. Simple grab liquidity, as I said, on 4 hour time frame. Wow. My pending was missed from 40.49, and now price running 20 pips. I suggest you to put stop loss at break even, guys, because it's very little bit pushing hard. And TP1 is 40.44. $40.45 did just almost 40 pips. How it can miss my pending? Ugh. Look at this. It was missed, not activated. But anyway, stop loss at break even already because it's too risky, too risky. Yeah, you see, it's too bullish right now. Bro, are you gambling or what? I can understand. Sell, buy, sell, buy. Just wait. Please, wait. It's summer, especially today, end of the month. End of the month is a very crazy time. And we're entering the August. August is the worst month in the year for trading at all. Why? Because very lowest liquidity month is August. Yes, bro, sell. What I can say? I, why end of month is awful? Because it's repositioning. We're trading small money, 10K, 50K, 100K. I'm personally trading 50K right now. It's very small amount. What's happening right now in the world? Which amount of money can be moved from one side to second side. And right now, end of the month is where investors, hedge funds, banks repositioning their money. What you mean to the 30? You mean here? Let me check. It's still, by the way, in big picture, it's, if we check big picture, of course, in big picture is still bearish. Look at 4061 area here. Yeah, it's also a liquid area. Why? So, 50, 150 pips, like in pinned message, bro. And 4044, please. At least 4044. Преобразовать горизонтально. Yep, like that. And now I want TP1 now, please. It's just 40 pips. I need 50 pips at least to take some. 40, 45. Nasdaq, nothing. And 10 pips, 5 pips, another 5 pips, please, another 5 pips, and yes, another 5 pips. Why you don't know if I told you my entry point was 40.49 on stream? Guys, I don't know how you listening my stream if I told you that my why other guys in trade already when I told that my entry point is 40.49. It was from here. Okay, if I didn't tell you my price, but I told you my price. Yeah, not bad. But it's very risky. We would be okay if I asked a few questions, bro. Yep. Ah, you just joined. Okay, bro. I like this candle. I like this candle right now. Price can bring another just 5 pips for TP1. What market is gold? Your is your point. Let me check H1. But I guess it's too bullish. Yeah, H1 is too bullish. Price can deliver another 5 pips. And "15-minute reacting from EMA." I like this candle again. I like both these candles. And I need 5 pips. Additional 5 pips. Yeah, but definitely very strong right now. As long as can't make a 50 pips pullback. But if it breach hard. Lower, I mean. And 5. Yep, TP1 hit. Finally, TP1. Another TP1 on 5-minute channel. As I told you, my entry was 40.49 with 50 pips stop loss. And TP1 was also 50 pips. Right now I'm aiming to 2R and 3R. 3R will be exact this level, like that. No. Reset to default. Yep, like that. 50. That looks like it will provide only TP1. But anyway, let's see. Because I'm showing it in my free VIP. Very good, bro. Very good. I think price is going to have second bull up today. Just TP1, we waiting TP2. This is how we trade. Hoping I'm wrong because I'm in a short trade but not sure. Yes, of course. And we already took TP1. Let me just quickly show you what I shared in my VIP, by the way. Ouch. Wow. Yeah, it was just TP1. Gold is super bullish right now. It's already break even, bro. Which stop loss? Why you didn't take profit on TP1 4044? What was your point to take profit at 4042? What was the reason? Yeah, I'm agree with you. I think it's simple liquidity sweep again and it's gonna reverse down. Typical Friday end of months. Opa. So for today we caught TP2 on Nasdaq and right now TP1 on gold. I'm not gonna be surprised if it will drop right now. Look at this. Push. And yeah, nice move. Simple liquidity sweep. If it closed like that, it definitely will drop more. Guys, I'm just telling that it's drop more. It's not means that it's a signal. Okay? Okay, bro. I'm waiting you. Especially it's free. Why 4042? I can't understand. You are second guy who won't take profit at 4042. What is there? FIP? No. By the way, thank you for telling me. 4033 is 61 FIP and key level. I'll change your fucking extents broker to your broker. Yeah, very good, bro. Okay, I'm waiting you. We have another area of interest. This one worked. Very good. Break, retest. But R is the break retest. For example, you have level, right? This one. Price break, come back, and pushing further. This is a break retest. What's here? Here you have this level, okay? Price breached, coming, break, retest, sorry, this level again, and push again. I'm not on prop firms, bro. I'm on broker. I showed you. Let me show you again my MetaTrader. You see? Live account. Live account, almost 50K balance, and running, still running Nasdaq buy position. I'm not trading prop right now because I don't like rules, you know. I don't like when somebody keeping me with rules. For example, I can hold, for example, some trade in big drawdown. My maximum allowed drawdown is 5%. So I can hold it if I know that this drawdown, I have to wait. That price definitely will come back to my entry point and I can close at least at break even. But in current market situation, you know, with summer, low liquidity, especially August, it's account killer to trade with such big drawdowns. That's why right now only fixed stop loss for me. But on prop firms, you have million rules. Consistency rule, not allowed to hold the trade over the weekend or over the night, you know. Drawdown, no. Much better to yes, I trade on C Trader, and it's copying my trades to MetaTrader 5 because I have my main account and high risk accounts. Main account I trade only strong setups. On high risk account I can trade everything, you know. That's why when you have several accounts, you should manage them. Even on the weekend, what you trade on weekend, I can. Weekend is for to take a rest. I don't know, even if gold would work on weekend, much better I'll take a rest a little bit, because without taking a rest, you are not robot, you know. You can burn in one moment. And it's, you know, it's some problems of beginners. They start trading, especially me, how it happened with me. When I started trading, I did around $2,000, if I'm not wrong, from $500 in first months. Then of course I blow everything. So beginners journey is usually, let me delete this one and delete this one. This is the journey of beginners. Start, win, fail, depression, debts, loans, like that, like that, like that. Then psychology, risk management, and everything comes in the game. And slowly, 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 they start to grind higher, 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 and become profitable, you know. It's typical behavior. Crypto, no thanks. By the way, if you want, I can show you some examples how my strategy works on crypto. Let's check Bitcoin, why not? Template, EMA. Daily side. Perfect pullback from daily side, as you can see. From this, it was simple profit taking from 60,100. 60,100, especially look here. Breaker test. What I mean by breaker test, we had level here, right? Price breached, came back to this level, retested, and pushed down. Another breaker test is this one, but it was missed, if I'm not wrong. Yes, it was missed. It's daily time frame, by the way, right now. This level worked also. You see, level worked. Right now it's some kind of range, not tradable. Let me check 4 hour. Yeah, it's a range. I'm not gonna watch the range. Let's check this zone, okay? Price moving. I guess this one is 61 fib. I don't have any perspective for today. Why? Because it's end of months. End of months and August. Tomorrow. No logic. There are no any logic for today. Even Monday, I think I'm not gonna trade Monday because it's just beginning of the month. Much better to give the market to rest a little bit, 1 or 2 days after the new months start. Yeah, you see, 61 fib, key level. First move, give. What is it? How many pips is that? 103,000. 103,000 on Bitcoin. How much pips is that? I can. And drawdown was 46,000. 46,000, I guess it's 46 pips, right? Or I'm wrong. I just don't know. I'm not trading crypto. I'm just showing you how it works. First win, 61 fib. Let's draw another fib. Another fib. 61 key level. 2 win already. You see, strategy works on crypto also. No, I don't checked. Wow, by the way, gold pushing more. I'm currently in Argentina. That's why it's Latam, bro. And I'm drinking mate. Oh, you're from Paraguay. We are neighbors. By the way, price at 28 EMA right now, and it can give some pullback, small pullback. Since you love FIB so much, try MT5 indicator called Haven Fibonacci volume profile. I have something. Somebody did that to me, but MT5. I have some bots on MT5. Let me just show you. Yes, I have first of all this one. You see, Trade Assistant. It's helping me to put stop loss automatically, like that. You see, you can even reverse, sell limit, reverse like that, you see, with lines. It's only tool I use on MT5. For example, if you want set pending, you put it like that, boom, done. You see, it's setting up everything automatically. The price on the MT5 market is around $100 right now, if I'm not wrong, but I bought that 2 years ago. 2 years ago it was just around $60 or $50 like that. Yeah, remove pending. And I have another one. Let me show you. Navigator. Where is it? Oh, it's on another one. So I'm not using much MT5, to be honest, you know. It's like kind of complicated, you know. Yeah, welcome, bro. Brother, when about FIBO, when you join my VIP, I posted educational video about how to trade Fibonacci. Let me show you. Yeah, this is my channel. You see? By the way, this was my entry. As you can see, I mentioned that I'm gonna jump from 40.49 with chart 40.49. This is my educational channel. and Fib here. Fibonacci lesson. And here is market breakdowns as usual, quick market update and everything like that. So 5-minute channel, nice, I think, right? Because a lot of guys, want to trade everything. I'm personally trading on my main account only stronger setups. Hey, where's the music? Yes, of course, it's in Telegram. Hi, see you, brother. See you Monday. Just message me in Telegram, brother. My VIP is free. Just you need just to trade with my broker. That's all. I hope you are just not from restricted countries, because if you are from restricted countries, there is an option too. I have just two options for that. You can check this if you want. It's been useful to me so far. Yeah, bro, just send me. Send me. I will just observe that and will give you my opinion. In link in bio, bro. Let me just send link again. Yes, I pinned, bro. Sí, sí, muchacho. By the way, where is Nasdaq? Nasdaq delivered exact TP2 and reversed. Not snipe entry. Entry was with some drawdown, 57 pips drawdown, but snipe exit. It's good. And gold. Opa, I see that, brother. I will check how I can go. I can just copy. Okay, bro, I will observe it and give you my feedback, okay? Let me check. Fibonacci volume profiles. Interesting. I use good broker. Hey, I want TP3 to go to the rest. I like that it works well on multiple time frames. Yeah, it works. As you see, it works even on different pairs, even on different time frames. Let's check 1 minute. Crazy guys, you are crazy for trading 1 minute. It's 1 minute, right? By the way, this is your breaker test. I don't know, I just opened randomly, you know. This level, let me show it more accurate for you. Break, came back, retest. Here I don't see clean break, to be honest. This is clean break. This is not clean break. This is also not clean break. This is a clean break. Where is it? This one. You see, this is a big level. Yeah, this is a good example of breaker test. You see? Level here. Breach. Boom, 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 boom. Came back to the level. Retest and pushed again. I don't have so much time to to trade 1 minute. But no. Oof. By the way, if price make 100 pips now, I lose my interest from this area of interest. As long as Friday, but I think, you know, no, I'm not gonna, I don't want to go on this level because I already had 2 TP for today, 2 nice TP for today. I think that's enough. Need to know when to stop, guys. That's funny, I lose my interest in this. Yeah, because you know, our trading is not good, bro. Our trading is not good. I'm not telling that this area is not valid. It's valid. Why I don't want to go? Because, again, because of this pullback. It's first moment. Second moment, watch the move. It's just 200 move. 200 pips move, I mean. 200 pips move is not enough for me. I want $25 move is 250 pips move. 250 pips move is much lower. You know, I know that it's 61 fib and key level breaker test, but Remember, today is Friday, first problem. End of month, second problem. August, third problem, and summer. So problems much better than the confluences to go to this trade as long as already had profitable trades. Yeah, good decision also. Can I join to your broker without paying money? Yes, of course. You just should join my broker, deposit, and trade on my broker on your personal account. You're not paying me any money. So for me, I will lose interest in. Yeah, 1 minute is awful. We can extend this one. What's going on with MetaTrader? Oof. I come back in a minute, guys. Trump. Soon Iran will not have some military capacity left. Hey, orange, grapefruit, wanna trash the market or what? Wanna shake the market? Are you going to hold on till TP? Yes, of course. Just set stop loss at break even and leave it. It's already New York finishing soon, brother. So no point to trade. It's time to take a rest. So guys, I'm finishing stream for today. We caught two nice trades. First one was Nasdaq, second one on gold. And take a rest, and we see you, and we gonna meet on Monday again at New York session. Okay, so possible trades will be on, of course, Monday Asian session, but I don't think so. Okay, so thank you for the stream, thank you for your company, and see you Monday, guys.